Hi, my name is Chloe and I am the sous chef here at the Cleveland Arms. We are an independent pub in the Fiveways area of Brighton and we pride ourselves on local, sustainable produce. And we're a family-run business and that's really important to what we do. We've won an award for our roast dinners. We are the best meat roast dinner in the UK and today I'm going to show you how to make one element of that, which is the perfect roast potato. So you've got to start with quite a starchy potato, something like a Maris Piper. We use Pierre Kaufmann potatoes. Peel them, give them a little wash, soak them in a bit of salty water for a couple of hours, and then you want to boil them. So you should boil them until the knife goes into the potato and just falls off gently, and that's when they're ready. You need to then drain them really well, make sure there's no excess water on them, and give them a good shake around in the colander. You want to increase as much surface area on that potato so that when it's roasting in the oven, you get all the nice little crispy bits coming up from the oil. It's really important that the oil is very hot before you put your potatoes into it, because we don't want to slow down any of the cooking process, and that's how we get it really crispy. Then you need to make sure you've also got lots of herbs, garlic, thyme, rosemary, lots of salt and pepper on there, because that's where all the flavour comes from. If you don't put any of that on, you're going to have a really awful roast potato. Then you roast them basically until they look crispy, because you've already cooked them in the water. So you're just making sure they've got a nice shine on them, a nice bit of colour to them, and then they are ready. That is how you make a perfect roast potato. So that's how you make the perfect roast potato. Come and visit us here at the Cleveland Arms on Cleveland Road in Fiveways, and follow us on social media at the Cleveland BTN. Thank you.